Choosing to go to do school online was something that fit my schedule perfectly. It was wonderful to have and be able to get my degree in something that I will be able to put towards my future. Working with my learner service advisor was great because there were times where I needed them at a certain time and they were always there, whether it was like emailing back and forth or the little instant chat on the online site. That was absolutely wonderful. The advice that I would offer a new student beginning is that it's going to be scary, it's going to be challenging, but you're doing the right thing. You're bettering yourself. You just have to keep remembering that you're creating a better future for yourself and keep going. My name is Lauren and I am UMA.